What is up, guys? This is another cryptocurrency video from your boy Sam from the Bitcoiner. We have new cryptocurrency videos coming out every single day, ranging from the latest in altcoin news to fundamental and technical analysis. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing as it's free and you can always unsubscribe. And if you find this video helpful or valuable to you in any way possible, please let us know with a like or a comment, as these videos are completely free to make and it really motivates me when I see these likes and comments. Thanks so much. So guys, we have huge news today. As we can see, Theta has just surpassed $8, which is huge and which has been mentioned for the past 3 weeks. And see, this was published 3 weeks ago with a prediction of passing $8 for the Theta price, and we can see that prediction has come through and is true, which is really great to see. And we can see for the last 3 months we are starting to break this all-time high in the last 3 months, and we might be able to break out of this red and get back into the green for the last 3 months. But despite that, today we are going to be talking about Theta's potential partnership and further partnerships with Apple and the Apple M1 chip, and what this partnership could mean for Theta and could mean for Apple. So what does this stem from? As we can see here, enterprise validator nodes are Samsung and Google, both huge tech companies, of which of course are just natural rivals of Apple, which is another huge tech company. So that's one reason. And the second and most definite reason that makes me believe this is in their roadmap with down here, they are saying edge node software support for Mac M1 chips. So they're further developing software that is compatible with Apple software, as well as this edge node downloadability on the macOS devices, which is great to see. That this leads me to believe that actually Theta can potentially have partnerships with Apple when we see more of a rise in the midterm price predictions. Like I'm saying, $15 to $18 for the midterm. As we can see, we're on the right track with 0.5 right now for the price per Theta token. But when we reach heights of $15 to $18, and that's a new high, Apple will see that the Samsung is doing well and Google is doing well as partners with Theta, and they'll see these are my competitors, so we have to get in on this, or they will go to another competitor of Theta. However, there are no really big competitors of decentralized streaming applications and websites like Theta. No one's really doing what Theta's doing to this extent. Like, no one's got huge and like nobody dabbles with the huge NFT industry right now like Theta is doing, and still maintains this huge, really good technology for the future of live streaming and streaming videos as a whole on the internet with a decentralized framework. After Q3 and some more significant news comes out in Q4, like the V2 Edgecast fully decentralized streaming dApp, beta Theta pass NFT as virtual tickets DRM, beta Theta drop on unified marketplace, Theta video API. After all that comes out and they drop the Theta drop unified marketplace, as well as the Mac M1 chip, it will catch the eye of Apple for 100%, for sure. And all of this stuff in Q3 and Q4 will naturally blow up the price of Theta. As we can see, and when this marketplace is released, we have huge markets and huge amounts of unassuming viewers that are just fans of Katy Perry and One Championship and World Poker Tour that will just be exposed to Theta, and therefore Theta's exposure will just go through the roof, and that means Theta's supporters and community will go through the roof, and therefore their price of their main governance token, Theta token, will naturally rise, which we can see is on a rising trend as of recently, as I said in the early parts of this video. So what could this partnership bring for Theta, and what could it bring for Apple? Well, starting off, for Apple, I think they could benefit with a company like Theta and their partners list because Theta is such a pioneer in the field that is growing so rapidly, and of course Apple as one of the highest, I think the highest company by market capitalization, will love to help pioneer with Theta in the decentralized streaming network when the internet inevitably moves to decentralized more and more. So when the internet moves more to a decentralized framework, Theta will be there running with this great technology, and Apple will want a piece of that because they are a huge company and they are greedy, so of course they'll want it. And that's okay, because if Apple comes on to Theta, it will shoot up the price astronomically, nearly to $50-$60, and then from then on, as the internet moves to decentralized, more and more decentralized, and more cryptocurrencies get popular, and Bitcoin moves up and Ethereum moves up, Theta will also naturally move up. And then I reckon with the partnership with Google and Apple, Theta can shoot to the heights of $700 to $800, which is in my price prediction in my previous videos, but that will be within a few years from now when some more significant news comes out about Theta and what their plans are for the future. And what will this potential partnership mean for Theta? Well, of course, if Theta partners with Apple, just hugely shoot up their price, as I said just before, but it will also allow them to have better funding to research more and get better resources and uh, get a better team just to like support the development of Theta. And when this company that is already so developed and has all this huge good leadership and great blockchain team, as we can see there, and all these partners gets even more funding, more development, they will just shoot to the top of the crypto market. I reckon because of Theta's usability and perfect use cases in the future, Theta can even surpass Cardano, maybe not Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's just trumping everything right now. Maybe even Ethereum. Like, these are huge claims, I admit. They are just claims. I'm not a financial advisor or anything. But if Theta gets a partnership with Apple like this and Microsoft, like I mentioned in a previous video, it's just the sky is the limit for where Theta can go, and subsequently where the price of Theta can go. But yeah, those are my price predictions, and those are my speculations between Theta and Apple's potential partnership, guys. They are just speculations. They aren't. I'm not a financial advisor, as I said before, and this is just my opinion. You guys can choose to discard it, or you can choose to take it on and let it influence the way you invest in your potential portfolio. However, looking to summarize this video, we can see Theta is overall in a green for this year, and it's currently sitting at $8.05, up 4.6 or up 4.56% from yesterday, which is great to see. And we can see that it has bounced all the way up from $6.90 to $8.09 in the recent 24 hours, which is great to see. Absolutely great to see. Yeah, guys, that's about it. And if you're interested more in some further in-depth cryptocurrency price predictions for the Theta token, please make sure to look at my recent video. Otherwise, this is about it from me today. We upload new videos every single day, ranging from the latest and awkward news, fundamental and technical analysis, like I said at the start of the video. And if you found any interest or value or help in this video at all, please let us know with a like or a comment, and maybe even subscribe. And if you subscribe, turn on that post notification bell. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.